Which of the following problems can be solved with this strip diagram? We have 367 and 178, and because they are put together without repeating, this is an addition problem. Then on Saturday, we have 165, 218, which just like in the other problem, this is an addition problem, but we do not know n, the difference between these two, which we have known is a subtraction problem, where we're trying to compare the difference between Friday and Saturday. Now there's a lot of reading, so we need to think. All the question's telling us is on Friday, these numbers happened. On Saturday, these numbers happened, and we're trying to find the difference. So anytime we see a word problem that does not match it, we can immediately get rid of it. On Friday, 367 boys and 178 girls rode on the Twister. Is this correct so far? Yes. On Saturday, 165 fewer boys and 218 fewer girls rode the Twister. Is this correct so far? It is not. We now have fewer girls, where we were expecting exactly 165 boys and exactly 218 girls. So because this is fewer and not the actual number, we can get rid of A. On Friday, 367 boys and 178 girls rode the Twister. Is this correct so far? Yes, we see these numbers exactly. On Saturday, 165 boys and 218 girls rode the Twister. Is this correct so far? Yes. They are saying exactly these numbers rode. Not that there were fewer than on Friday or more than on Friday, but exactly these numbers rode. Next, find n, the difference between the total number of children who rode on the Twister Friday and Saturday. Is this correct? Yes. It's asking us to find the difference between Friday and the difference between Saturday, which we see here is n. That is why B was the correct answer.